Green dots on iPhone. Do this before it is late. Do you notice that the green dot on your iPhone here is on and you don't know what happened? The first thing is that some apps is using the microphone or your camera on background. So to see if any app is using your camera on background, swipe down from the control center. Here you see this option here, then tap on the arrow. Then you see that the camera is on. Not only that, it access my microphone as well my location and that. So the first thing you have to do now is to swap up like this and clear this button. Then doing that, you should not see that button here. It means your camera is not active again. But if this is still active, there is one thing you need to do. Very simple. Go to the settings button on your iPhone and tap on it. Now scroll down to privacy and security, tap on it. Then tap on service location, tap on it. Now make sure that this option is turned on. Then from here, locate and tap camera. Now that I've tapped on camera, you can see that here my location is active, and here we have three options: never use, ask, time, or when I share, or while using this app. So depends on you. You may tap on never use, you may tap on while using this app. So I will encourage you tap on while using this app or never use. This has to do with you. So with this setting, and you still notice the icon that the green color, the green button is still active. This might be as a result of some apps mismanufacturing or misbehaving on your device. Then the next thing is to restart or force restart your iPhone. Doing so is very simple. Turn the volume up, the volume down, then turn the power and hold until it goes off and brings out the Apple logo. Now that the Apple logo is on, just wait for this to load again. Now that you force restart your device and it still happen like this, notice that the green dot is still active. Then let's move on. Go to your settings and tap on it. Then go to privacy and security, tap on it. Now come over to this button here. This we see privacy services, tap on it. Now here are some of the apps that likely using your device, camera of your device. So you have to do some work here. You have to check this app one after the other to see if they are using your camera. So let me try one of these. Let me go to Chrome. You see Chrome, never. You see that it's not using my camera. Location is not, access is not allowed. So you have to do that one after the other. Then come over to it again, go to the camera button, tap on it. So if you see it here, maybe it's allow or not allow, or using this, then make sure you disable it. So guys, that is all. If you enjoyed this tip or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.